Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Brace for more water restrictions in the corporate area. The warning this evening from the National Water Commission NWC amidst the worsening dry spell affecting the country. Acting Corporate Communications Manager at the NWC, Delana Williams, told our news center there has been no significant impact at the two main catchment facilities in the corporate area.
We will be maintaining the water supply regulations now in place for the Kingston and St. Andrew area. That is on the back of the dam levels remaining at a low level, at a level less than desirable at this time. And the forecast being that for several more weeks, there is an expectation of little rain and hence little inflows to our facility. At this time, the Mona Reservoir is at 38.6%. It continues to fall by approximately 3 to 4 million gallons per day. And the Hermitage facility is at 37.52%, falling at a rate of about 1 million gallons per day.